In this video, I will share with you how to show this shopping bag in the header of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website you want to show or enable the shopping bag for, click on this Edit Website button. As you see now, the header does not show the shopping bag, so select the header like that. Click on this Edit Header button. Then go to the Elements tab. And next to Show Shopping Cart, enable this option. As you see, it was instantly activated or enabled. And now click on Edit Shopping Cart, and you can edit this shopping bag icon size, also the cart. For example, we can call it shopping bag. Close this window. Click on update your website to publish these changes. Now let's view my website live. As you see, my shopping bag is added. Now let's try to add a product to the bag. And now I have this number of products added to the bag. In my case, it's 1. Next or on top of the shopping bag icon. And this is how to show the shopping bag in the header section of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.